Hi, I'm Rebecca, and this is my human resource frame assignment. The first thing are just some key points that I took away from watching that short video about the human resource frame according to Bowman and Deal. The first thing is that the organization should run as a family. Not only that, but the organization is there to serve human needs. It's there to serve the members, not take advantage of them. It's also important that we remember that the people are important, and without the people in our organization, we wouldn't have a school. People are what holds our school together. Also, the family is made up of individuals with individual needs. In our school, we have so many different people that it's important to remember that each of those people require different things. Leaders are there to be a leader, not an advocate. They're there to be servers also and serve the needs of the people that are in their organization. And not only that, but the organization and the people need each other. So here's how I kind of set my leadership up in my school. I believe that the principal and the leader are first. They're top in line. They're the ones that are running the school and setting the way that the school and the atmosphere is in the building. They're the ones that people go to with problems and issues. They're the ones that have to resolve the things. They're kind of top in command as far as things go. Next in line, I thought the students, the teachers, the parents, and the paraprofessionals were all together in the same category. They're all the next important people. Coming from an elementary perspective, our parents are really an important part of our children's education. We have a lot of parents that are up there constantly participating in school events, and it's also important that they're there knowing what's going on in the learning. I believe the students, the teachers, and the paraprofessionals are all just important and kind of next in line as far as it goes from the principal to the students, teachers, parents, and paraprofessionals. Next, I put the custodians, the cooks, the maintenance personnel, and the office staff. They're all still vital people to the school as an organization. They're just, I felt like they were a little bit down from the people that I have in the yellow level. I feel like the people in the yellow level really are next to the principal, and then we have these people, the custodians and the cooks and the maintenance personnel and the office staff that are next in line. They're still important and we need them in order to have a school, and I think it's important that as the principal and the leader, we maintain a good relationship with them. I just didn't feel like they came before the students or they came before the teachers. And the last group that I put down there was the community and the alumni. They do not take priority over any of the people that are physically in the building, but it's still important that as a principal and a leader that there's a relationship there with them, because having a relationship with them creates a better atmosphere for the school in general.